Hello lads, and welcome to my first ever nature show. Today we're in my very own backyard going to self-quarantine to see what creatures await us. Let's check it out. Here we see one of its kind, a concrete cake. If you watch Big Fat Mama, you'll see that Skipper John Jones and Big Fat Mama share one. It's amazing. Here we see a bunch of different lady of the whatever they call plants in their growing phase. Here's what they look like blooming. Let me play some inspirational music in the background. Isn't that amazing? Cracky, what's this? It's a non-blooming lilac bush. It was trimmed down a lot of years ago. And now it doesn't bloom. That's amazing. As you can see, it's just a bush, but an amazing one. That's amazing. Here, there's a bunch of scraps and chipmunks and groundhogs living there. And over here used to be a groundhog hole. It's amazing, all different species and creatures gathered around. And here's where the squirrels and cats escaped from my backyard. Isn't that amazing? Now, we promised a nature show, but we don't see any nature. That's why we are going to wait a while till we see nature. Nature, nature. No nature so far. There's no nature. Why isn't there nature? I gotta stay very quiet, or else some chipmunk may hear me. Over here we have a bath taken by a bunch of different plant life and dirt. And here we see a cave. Who knows what lives in there? And here is what looks to be a groundhog's hole. Right there. What? Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, right here. Why is there plastic here? See anything down there? I'm gonna go dig in a little. Clearly, my phone doesn't fit. But don't worry, there'll be chipmunks one day. Hopefully I didn't frighten them, because I wouldn't like this big thing recording me coming to my home. Through the cracks, we see absolutely nothing. Nothing at all. Cracky, it's a slow day for the birds and animals here. But trust me, there'll be some another time.